If you need to dig holes for fences, decks, or planting, you need an auger you can trust. Today we're ranking 5 popular options from weakest to best, so you know exactly which one is worth your money. Let's start with the one in the 5th position. This unit gets the job done, but it sits at the bottom of the list because it is limited by the power cord and a single bit. It has decent torque, so it works fine for softer soil and light to medium jobs. The best part is that you never have to worry about fuel, noise, or exhaust like you do with gas augers. It also has handles that help with grip and vibration. Still, when you compare it to gas and cordless tools coming up, it simply does not offer the power or freedom that most users want. Its limitations show up most clearly in tough clay or rocky ground. When the earth gets stubborn, this one slows down fast. If portability matters, the cord becomes a real problem because you need an outlet or a long extension cable. This is for someone who wants a simple, affordable tool for small projects around the house, maybe a few holes for plants or small fencing. For heavier digging or remote work, the next options are much better. And if you're interested in any of the tools from this review, you can find links to the best prices in the description under the video. In 4th place, we have a budget-friendly gas unit. It offers more freedom than the corded option because you can take it anywhere, and the extra power makes digging faster and easier. It does a decent job for small to medium holes, especially in normal soil conditions. The fact that it comes with 2 different bits gives you more flexibility right out of the box. It's also lighter than many gas models, so most people can manage it without much trouble. The main downside is simple. It's not as strong as the next gas augers we're about to cover, and it can struggle if the ground is packed or rocky. You also have to mix fuel and oil, which adds a little extra work. This is a good pick for someone who needs a cheap gas tool for light to medium yard projects without getting into serious digging conditions. And while we're here, if this review is helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next one. In 3rd place, we move to a stronger option that brings more flexibility. This one includes 4 different bit sizes, which is rare at this price point. That means you can work on everything from small posts to wide holes for trees. Even though the power rating is similar to the model before it, the extra versatility makes a huge difference. The build feels a bit more capable for repeated use and heavier projects. It's still pretty lightweight for a gas auger, so it doesn't wear you down as quickly. The drawback is that it still lacks the raw power of the bigger gas units and the cordless performer at the top of this list. The engine also requires fuel mixing and regular maintenance, just like any 2-stroke tool. If you want a wider range of bits to handle many types of holes without spending a fortune, this one fits the bill. It's a step up from the budget gas units, even though it's not the strongest model in this lineup. Now let's move to the runner-up. 2nd place goes to the strongest gas unit in the lineup. For a handheld auger, this one packs serious power. It's surprisingly lightweight for the size of the engine, and that power really shows when the soil gets dense. It cuts through heavy dirt much faster than the weaker gas models. The extra horsepower means fewer stalls and quicker digging, especially if you're putting in a long row of posts. The fact that it includes extension rods means you're not limited to shallow holes either. The trade-off is that more power means more noise, more vibration, and more fuel mixing. If you've never worked with a strong gas auger before, it can feel aggressive until you get used to it. It's also more tool than many homeowners actually need. This one is for someone with bigger projects, contractors, livestock fencing, farms, or large landscaping jobs. If you want the absolute most muscle in a handheld tool, this is the gas option to consider. But there is one tool that edges it out for everyday convenience. At the top of the list, we have a cordless auger that feels like the best of both worlds. You get the freedom of gas without the noise, smoke, or fuel mixing. It delivers strong torque and great depth, which are 2 of the biggest things people want in a handheld auger. The digging speed is smooth and consistent, and the dual speed control gives you more precision when you're starting a hole. It also has safety protection to reduce kickback, which is a big deal if you've ever hit a root or rock. The only real downside is that you need to buy the battery and charger if you don't already have them, which increases the cost. It also weighs more than the gas units, but most people find it easier to control because the power delivery is smooth. This is perfect for homeowners, landscapers, and contractors who want strong digging performance without the hassle of gas. If you want something powerful, quiet, and modern, this is the one to beat. If you want to check the prices or learn more about any of the tools we covered, you'll find links to the top models in the description under the video. And if this review helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe so you don't miss upcoming reviews.